Next up, under Sound and Notifications, is System Sound Toggles. This comes in really handy if you're the type of person who likes to restart their phone in the middle of the night. This way none of the sounds will disturb you. Boot sounds, you can enable or disable them. Same with the volume slider. If you don't want to hear the sound as you're bringing up the volume, you can disable that right here as well. Charging sounds, another one that can wake you up in the middle of the night if you're the type to use a wireless charger, for example. And the screenshot sound. I always keep this one enabled because I do want to know that I'm getting the sound back. After you change this though, you do want to restart your system UI.